Why Americans still build their houses and buildings by using wood? The reason, at the end of 16th, 17th century or beginning of 17th century, Europeans start, especially the British, start coming to America. So which lead to build the many houses in short time. At that time the bricks and cement was not usually available, so they start building their houses by using wood, which was too much available in America. So even in 2020 they still use the wood to make even the buildings, 4-story, 5-storied buildings, they use wood. So I'm going to show you the videos. The construction right now is happening in America. It's using wood. So this is my part 2, how Americans build their buildings. So this is around 4-storied building. You can see it's completely wood. All wood. Complete wooden panels they fix. Only the foundation is in concrete. Only the ground floor is in the concrete column, and the rest of the floors complete wooden panels, wooden columns, wooden beams, everything. So I asked the contractors and the consultants in the projects why they are still using wood. So in United States there are large forests. So for this reason it's very easy to find wooden materials for building construction. So the wood is very cheaper compared to brick and concrete. And the different thing what the contractor told me, if they use concrete and block works and bricks for building construction, they have to pay very high tax. And if you're building any houses or buildings by wood, this tax will be 1/3. So they are paying very less tax if they construct with wood. This is the problem. That's why civil engineers only carpenter's job, you know.
Yeah, so you can see the support. This is the way they will come.
Yeah.
Because the length is longer, so this we call a
Girder, no?
no
Beam.
we call a beam.
Yeah.
It's called glue beam.
Okay.
We call glue beam. So we made it like that. So what they do
Like
is
more sheets. Yeah.
right, but this is custom. The company made it.
Okay.
So we just buy from the store. We just tell him I need that height, that long.
Okay,
and
they will made
just
it for
build-
you.
Yeah, they send it here. So they have a bigger opening. See, there is a weight. You can see how much weight there,
Okay.
right? So they're supporting on this wall, right here. They can put a lot of weight and they're not gonna bend. So they can have a bigger opening.
Okay, but you said there is some steel coming from bottom. There's no.
Right. See this?
This one bolt only. Huh?
Bolt.
Yeah.
So let's say the wind come inside,
Yeah,
it hold the
yeah.
building.
Yeah, so it will not move.
Right.
Oh, really lot of work.
Huh?
There's a lot of work.
Hey, Jesse, how are you? Tell her, you need to be slowed down.